Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal and today we'll be looking at LC2460, that is apply operations to an array. Okay, so first of all let us go through the problem statement. So you are given a zero index array nums of size n consisting of non-negative integers. Okay, you need to apply n minus 1 operations to this array wherein ith operation 0 index you will apply the following on ith element of nums. Okay, so basically what it is trying to say is we have to do the following operations. Okay, so if I will be equal to I plus 1, then we need to update the I, it will be doubled, and we need to set the nums I plus 1, others basically the next number, to 0. Otherwise you will skip the operation. Okay, so skip means we'll continue, we'll do it with the continue statement. Okay, so it also says that after all the operations has been performed, we need to shift all the zeros to the end of the list. Okay, fine. So we are given a test case wherein like 1 2 2 1 1 0. So 1 and 2 are different, so basically skip it. Then 2 and 2 are same, so increase the first element by 2, or double it, that it is becoming 4, and append a 0 to the second element, and after all the operations has been performed, shift all the elements to the end of the list. Okay, fine. Let us start coding. So first of all, we'll compute the length of the list, that is nums. Okay, now we'll loop up to L minus 1 for I in range of L minus 1, and then we'll do the comparison. Okay, so if nums of I not equal to norms of I plus 1, then it just says that skip that operation, means we'll give a continue. Okay, else means they are not same, so we will double the I, is norms of I equal to 2, and norms of I plus 1 will be equal to 0. Okay, after this operation has been performed, it says that we have to shift all the zeros to the end of the list. Okay, so how do we do that? We will use another loop, like for I in nums, we need to create two list, non-zero and zeros, non-zeros and zeros will be equal to two empty list we have created. So if I equal to 0, then we'll append it to zeros, zeros dot append I, else we'll append it to non-zeros. I. Okay, fine. So now we have both the list ready. What we need to do is we just need to return it. Okay, so we'll return it like return non-zeros, because zeros will be shifted to the right or end of the list, plus zeros. Fine. So I hope you understood. So let us run it. I think it will work fine. Great. So it is working fine, and the test case has been passed. Let us submit it. Great. It got accepted. So I hope you understood this problem, and please like and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more. Thanks a lot. Take care. We will meet again next time.